morning, a very good morning. And today I'm super excited because today is the last day of this diet and I am freaking excited, happy, because I don't have to bear it for any longer now. Today is the last day and from tomorrow I'm going to have whatever I'm feeling like to have. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And there's nothing much to say right now because I'm so happy that my words aren't coming right now. So yeah, let's meet you with the first meal of the day. That will be almond milk as usual, but still okay. I forgot to mention one thing. I know this is gonna sound little bit gross, but I'm here for the honest review and I'm gonna tell this even if it sounds gross. So the thing is that in this whole process of 500 calories a day, I fucking constipated. Yes, I constipated, like nothing is coming out, only I'm having everything but nothing is going out. So what's the point of giving this information is that those who have problem regarding constipations, please do not attempt this diet. And this information also reliable for those who doesn't want themselves to be in this pathetic situation like right now I am. So please don't, if you don't want to be constipated for literally 2 days, because yesterday also the shit didn't come out and today also I don't think it will come out. So yeah, I constipated like fuck and I don't think you should do this. And therefore if you still want to do this, then all the best.
The way you like a song, you know my heart.
Hello, so right now I am leaving from my home to visit my uncle, so I will be meeting you on the way. So finally we arrived to our uncle's house, so let's get in. It's too sunny right now, it's too hot. And I'm struggling as usual. Yes. So now we are heading to C1 Pandal. So let's go.
So this is the first pandal which I visited and I was astonished by the pandal because it was made of obsolete almirah and it was giving a vibe of vintage. And I totally fell in love with this pandal. Though I didn't visited much pandals because I was there for some business, but this much was also worthy. So this is the last pandal which I visited. As I already mentioned that I didn't visit much pandal, but if you see the top of this pandal, they have a mask which I love it.
So I screwed today's diet video because we are outside, we went to watch pandals of Durga Puja and I felt so hungry that we bought this and I will be eating now this. So my today's diet has been screwed up by me. So yeah, it's a failed diet today.
It's
So now I'm going back to my home with this luggage. So it's a long story. I'll say someday when I will feel like saying it, because it's a very long story to say right now. So yeah, that's it for today, I guess. Let's first go to our house and I will end my vlog over there because I already ruined my today's gallery. So hello guys, I am back to my home after a hectic day. Like, yes, it was a hectic because it was so hot, and you are doing pandal hopping is not an easy task. In that, though I didn't got much what do you say, though I didn't got much of the crowd because we went in the morning and this is just the 6th day and the crowd starts from the 7th day. So yeah, it wasn't that crowd, but it was a hectic day because of the weather and of the humidity, and my face literally got so many things. Like, the temperature was so high, and I'm not taking care of my face from a long time, so I thought that I should take care of my face, because you can see that this too came right when the puja is started. This too also want to do pandal hopping with me, so I thought that let's just put a face sheet in my face to recover this. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm using this face sheet mask. So I'm using this face sheet mask. If you can see, this is from Monsa. I don't know what it is said. It is a Japanese face sheet mask, and I actually use this face sheet from a very long time because this is amazing and it's really good, though it's not a sponsored video. So yeah, and like, I don't know how much it took. It took around $300, I guess, for 10 pieces. Like, I got 10 face mask set, but over here it's written 1,000 rupees, but I didn't bought this shit for 1,000 rupees. No, I didn't, and I will never. So yeah, let's just put a face mask. Why it's not even okay? It smells really good. Okay, I forgot to mention, but it smells really good. I love the smell. I think I should have closed the door of my balcony. My mistake. So my 15 minutes are over, and I think I can remove this. So before removing it, just I'll massage here. Now let's remove it. See, I always do this. I squeeze some of those chemical, I don't know what it says. If I'm using the wrong word, then I'm sorry, I don't know what it said, but I always do this. I squeeze it from that mask and I apply it on my face. yeah, that's it for today. And I know I totally ruined my today's diet. I wasn't able to complete my diet for 3 days, but it's okay because it's now festive season and you can have whatever without any guilt, because your body needs cheat meals as well. And especially if it's festive season or you are in any kind of occasions, no need of following your diet for these days. So for today, this much only. I shall meet you with some other videos and other interesting diets after this festive season. Till then, if you like my video, if you enjoy it, then please do subscribe to my channel, because I see that people are watching my videos but not subscribing. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to connect with me more, then follow my Instagram page as well. It will be linked in the description box. And I shall meet you again with some another interesting videos and vlogs. Till then, bye bye, good night, happy Durga Puja. Enjoy your Durga Puja without any guilt. Just have whatever you feel like, eat whatever you feel like. Bye bye.